the shuffle step, and I'm also going to show you a variation. So if you're just starting out dancing in place or rhythm skating, this is a great move to learn because it involves this heel toe push and pull. We use this all the time in rhythm skating. We're going to learn the crab step first, which is the first part of the shuffle, and you need to be comfortable moving in both directions. So I'm going to quickly go through the weight and the push and the pull that you need to get you going in either direction. So what's going to happen is each foot is going to do this. So you're going to go heel, toe, like this. So you're doing these little pivots. And what's going to happen is one foot's going to do heel and one foot's going to do toe. And then you can swivel and pivot and move. So my movement is going to come from the front trucks. So I want to go in that direction. So I am going to push and pull myself in that direction. When I'm in this position, this foot is going to do a heel manual. This foot's just along for the ride. This is the one that's going to do the pushing. So I'm going to focus my weight down onto my front truck and onto this wheel. And that is what's going to push me in that direction. Now, similarly, the next one, I'm going to do this. And this, again, isn't really going to do much, but this is going to pull me along. This front truck is what's going to pull me. So I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to push with my right toe, and now I'm going to pull with my left toe. So similarly, if I wish to go this way, I'm now going to push with this one and pull with this one. Push, pull, push, pull. So this does take a little bit of getting used to because it's a bit of brain-foot coordination. It's kind of like rubbing your belly and patting your head. So you need to get to a position where you're comfortable doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can add on the next bit. So keeping our 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in mind, we're actually going to start like this. And we're going to go 1, 2. Now on this 3, this foot is going to come across. And then on 4, we're going to do that. Then we're going to straighten up into this A position. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're still doing our crab, but just going to move the foot in front on the 3. We've got 1, 2. So this foot still does our pull, but this one is going to slide in front like that. And then on 4, the left foot is going to pivot on the toe again, and the right foot's going to pivot on the toe and make this angle. Then back to the A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's no reason at all that you can't do this really slowly until you just muscle memory it. There is a variation option on this one, and it's to do just that little shuffle bit. So it's a little bit trickier because it does involve you being on 2 toe manuals at the same time. And you have to do the push and pull we were talking about to push you and pull you. You have to do that to get one foot to go forward and one foot to go backwards. So I'm going to start in this V, and I'm going to do the exact same thing as I did before. So this foot is going to do that, and this one is going to do that. But it's going to happen at the same time with 2 toe manuals. So if you want to hold on to try this, absolutely do that. So there. And then I'm going to toe manual to go back to my A, like that. So you have to get these toe manuals. So it can be a little bit scary at first, but it's a great one to get because it's brilliant to fast music. So you can do it with the other foot as well. So this left foot's going to go forwards and it's going to do that, and the right foot is going to do that, and then back to my V. So it's just this double toe manual in the middle. But if you can get this, it's a great, great preparation for Crazy Legs, because Crazy Legs has got this toe-toe bit in the middle, like that, toe-toe. And it's very similar to our little V that we're doing here. So that really helps you get the feel of it. If you've enjoyed learning this and you haven't already, do check out the heads because that's another really nice beginner dance move. I'm Katie, you've been watching Skatie, and I'll see you next time. Bye!